How to unhide apps from home screen. So if you want to unhide apps from home screen, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with security section. Once you're under the security, you need to scroll down and go with privacy and app encryption. Enter your fingerprint or your password, and here you will have app hiding option. Tap on it and tap on view hidden apps, and it says swipe up with 2 fingers on the home screen to view hidden apps. So if you have any hidden apps on your screen, then you just need to simply swipe up with your 2 fingers to see the hidden apps. You just need to simply verify with your fingerprint, and here you will have the hidden apps, right? So you can simply tap and hold on to that application and drag and remove it from the hidden apps. But if you're not being able to do that, then just go with your settings, go with the app hiding, and here you just need to simply go and turn the app off or the hidden off, and after that you will unhide the application. So that's how you can unhide apps from your home screen, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.